Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what pet you should put in your garden in the Nutty Fever event in Great Garden. I know it's ending like in a few hours, but I only have a few hours left. So to help my pet grow, you're going to want to have like a queen bee or a pet that is able to cool down your pet's ability. I don't know like if it's super effective, but you can have the queen bee as well as the peacock in your garden. I also have these pets here. I have the giant ant and the red giant ant. Basically, they duplicate pets. So if you want to trigger your Nutty Fever event, a lot of times you'll need a lot of plants. And by just harvesting them, you'll get like duplicates of the plants if you're lucky enough. See? Lucky dupe, you got a bonus corn, you got a bonus tomato, etc., etc. Oh, I also did, like, I finished like an achievement as well. So yeah, do that and have your pets there to help you finish your Nutty Fever event. I don't know if I'm going to finish this. I don't know if I'm able to finish it today. I only have 8 hours left and I cannot be on this game all the time, so I don't know. Wish me luck, but yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.